Hey guys, I am here with
Isabel, Psycho, your girl, your loud girl is back and better.
And if you guys haven't seen the video that we did together, I think it was back in December, you should definitely go check it out. I will link it in the description of this video, but honestly, it was one of my favorite videos ever because you are absolutely hilarious, and
thank you.
It was fun for me. I know it was fun.
It was fun for me to read the comments. Y'all get real mad, and I'm gonna keep getting you mad. The ones who like me, thank you.
So we'll give them something to comment about this video.
For sure.
For sure. But tell me how you feel since I adjusted you. It's been months.
Yeah, It's been months. I think I'm ready for a second one, but I still feel much better than I did before.
Yeah.
So, you know, I'm still better with my posture, but I do think I need a good little crack.
Okay. Yeah, because you've been running around
everywhere,
filming video or doing
videos,
photography, all of that stuff. So, and I know you were saying like when you get down in some like weird positions and everything, it hurts, but it's been okay.
Yeah, I think I just have some like neck shit going on, but that's because I used the wrong pillows and sleep wrong, you know.
Okay. How's the rest of you feel?
Pretty good, honestly. Yeah? Still pretty good, but you know, a little touch up ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Okay. No. We're gonna check you out and do all that. Stay right there for a second. Let's see here. Have you gotten massages or done anything since?
No, I don't got time to itch my ass, so
okay.
No massages for your girl.
So this is one adjustment and nothing since then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's do this. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna start with your neck. How's that sound?
Sounds
yeah.
lovely.
I'm actually gonna have you lay face up on here first, and let me put this here. Yeah. She's excited.
So.
Okay. So can I move your hair back? Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. All right. Relax your head. Your makeup is perfect, by the way.
Thank you.
Absolutely perfect. So try to stay as relaxed as you can here. I'm just gonna feel around here and see what's going on. Is this you relaxed?
I think. I don't even know anymore.
Oh man. Let's see. So what's the most fun shoot that you've done recently? Can I ask you that, or is it like
yeah, you can.
top secret information?
No, honestly, the most fun thing I've done has been me being a model for the first time.
Really?
I was in a Drake music video as a bride.
What?
And it was so much fun.
You were in the music video?
Yeah, I was one of his brides. He had 24.
Girl, you're famous.
You know. Not kidding, but it was fun, and I gained experience.
Wow.
Because now I know what my models go through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it nerve-wracking?
Like a perspective thing. No, it was so much fun. It was just like really long hours. But
yeah. How are you doing right now? Is this okay?
It feels fucking amazing.
Good. Oh. Just trying to get this relaxed.
Oh.
You still good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh baby.
My favorite thing you said in the last video was, Mama!
Mama!
Yep. Okay. Stay relaxed.
Oh my goodness. I felt that one.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I felt the other one too.
So, remember when we did the Y-strap adjustment?
That was beautiful, yeah.
We're definitely doing that again for all in here.
Forever.
Yes. But scoot down the table just a bit so
Sure.
I'll make this longer for you here. Okay. Okay. So I know you remember this, so I don't have to explain it again unless you want me to.
No, I got it.
You remember that. Let me just make sure I can't mess your lashes up. Okay. So is that hurting your ears? Because I know you have earrings in right there.
No.
It's okay. So there's gonna be a strap that goes around your chin here,
Okay.
so that this doesn't slip. I'm so excited to do this with you right now because it's been so long. Does that all feel okay?
Amazing.
All right, good. So you're gonna take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Good. Okay. So you're gonna take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Good. 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 Breathe out all the
Ooh. Oh, baby. That's just. Why does it feel so good?
It's amazing, isn't it? Did you feel it in your mid back at all?
I felt it right
like
here. That's where I needed it.
Yeah, that is where you needed it.
Like,
That is where you needed it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna. I don't want to mess your makeup up,
No,
but
it's
I need you to turn over and lay face down for me. You can put the face on here and you can put your hands on.
That's going to catch my face right now. My face going to be on this
It's
shit.
one of the problems with having a white chiropractic table is everyone's
it.
makeup ends up on it. I'm gonna just move you here. Okay. Scoot to your right just a little bit. Okay. Let me see. Alright.
Yeah.
I'm not as nice as the
Yeah, not nice, but
massage
it's
gun.
very much needed. Oh boy. Oh Lord. I'm like fucking
Yep. Alright, take a deep breath in. Oh, look straight down first for me. Good. And then breathe out. Breathe in again. And then breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed here. Oh, good. How are you doing?
Oh, that felt good.
I'm gonna do that one more time. It's gonna be a little bit more intense. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna just turn in this little knob right here. So the table's gonna go up under you, and then when I press down here, this table's gonna go down a little bit. Let me just adjust it here. It absorbs some of the shock, so your chest doesn't get squished into the table. But take a deep breath in, and then breathe out. Good.
Oh yes. Oh.
Okay. Can we do that one more time?
Oh yeah. You
Yeah?
can, please.
All right. Breathe in again, and then breathe out. Now your low back feels better than your mid back and your neck, which is good.
Yeah, I feel lighter too. So
good. All right, we're gonna do the same thing down here. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's relax here. Ooh, okay. Did you feel that? Yes. One more time.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh yeah, that. Oh.
There. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have you turn over and lay face up. Let me check. Let me see if
Is my face
It's
intact?
absolutely perfect. Yes. It's great. It's great.
I'm sweating. Yes.
I know.
Yeah, nice.
Well, this is also like the Dr. Shelly greenhouse right here.
Yes,
You
we
know?
love it here.
All right, let's see. Straighten your legs here. Okay. So keep your leg relaxed here.
Ooh.
Your feet don't move.
Nothing moves.
Yeah, this is.
I'm a stiff ass bitch.
I don't know if I've ever had a patient say that they were a stiff ass bitch before. That's. Let's see. Ooh, okay, it moved though.
Yeah,
That's
that
good.
was
That's good.
good.
Yeah.
And I'm rich and famous, y'all.
Huh?
She's gonna live with me.
I was just about to say you promised me a room
Yes.
so that like when you need to be adjusted, you like summon your
I just walk
personal
next-
chiropractor.
Ooh.
I mean, surely one of 24 wives that Drake has needs a chiropractor, right?
Yeah. For sure. Gonna have a real lovely family with a chiropractor. Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need to see you more than once every 6 months.
Once a week is barely going.
That might be a better idea for you. Keep this relaxed here. Okay, that's not bad. Your knee is good on that side.
That's
This side, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine there too. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you sit up for me and Stacey, just face that away. How do you feel right now?
Amazing. My neck.
Feels
my back.
You, sir. Can I move your
hair? Yeah, go ahead.
Here. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit more work in here. Okay. But I'm actually gonna have you, can you hold your hair right there?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put my hands on the back of your neck right here.
Okay.
Scoot back on here just a little bit. Right, okay. All right, so look down. And then put my hands here, and then I need you to put your hands on top of my hands. Just on the back of your neck. Perfect. Yep. All right. So I'm gonna stretch you out this way. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed. Look up.
Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. That just sent nerves up. That felt too good.
What did you just do? Wait, hold on. You're like,
that was so good. I don't even know what the fuck just went down.
It's
I felt the sensation down my thing.
Yep.
Wow. I felt like
let me see your money makers.
Yes.
And work on these here. Yeah, really like your neck and all up in the upper part of your back there are just it needs a lot more work than seeing me twice a year. So sit up really straight, just behind.
Ooh. She's strong. She looks tiny, but she's mighty. She's very strong.
Okay. So whose view do you think was better? The last
I think your view is the best.
This one?
Oh yeah, this is some luxurious shit.
Yeah. The view when we shot the first video, when I first adjusted you, I wasn't mad about that.
Yeah, I loved it. I was laughing at the comments. They're like, she's a sellout now, doing it in luxury condiments. Like, what?
It was your home.
I was like, first of all.
It was your home. Stand up and face me this way here. And you're going to go like this. Okay. Hold on here real tight. I'm going to check your shoulders. Well, it could have been a compliment. I mean, like they're saying your home is a luxury home.
I was like, she's not a sellout. She's amazing.
Thank you. All right, so on the count of 3, you're gonna go like that.
Like this.
But hold on here. Yep, you're gonna do that against my hand, like you're knocking someone out behind you.
Okay. Cool.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sorry.
Gotta keep your hand there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. That shoulder's okay. And we're gonna do the same thing here. On the count of 3.
Wow, I got excited.
I know. Right. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Ooh, I like that. I don't even know there was something in there to be
that
cracked.
Was your shoulder in there? Okay. Did we miss anything? I think we got everything.
Yeah, that was nice and quick.
I think we got everything. You want to move around? Tell me if anything feels restricted at all. I like that.
Everything feels great.
Oh my God, I wish like every single person that I adjust, when I tell them to like walk a little bit, they just strut.
Oh my God, every time I do that, I think of a meme. I wish I could show y'all the meme in my brain, but you can't see it. But it's like a little baby dancing. It's like a cartoon, by the way. This is not sexual, but it's like a little baby going like around the pole to 50 Cent. Yeah, don't ask.
Okay. Maybe we'll find one like that.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll put it here so people can see what's in your brain. But you feel good right now?
Yeah, I feel amazing. Thank you so much.
So every movement feels really good.
Yeah, I feel so much lighter. My neck was like just not in a good place.
Yeah, it was.
Now it's in a much better place.
That's good. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I got to adjust you again. We really need to do this more often. Don't do what she does and only get adjusted twice a year. It's
do it more.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
For anybody who did not see the first video that we did and they
right
want to connect with you, how can they find you?
My Instagram is Sexy Psychopath, and I'm a photographer, so check out my work. It's in my bio.
I will put the link to her Instagram in the description. But thank you so much for watching, guys. And again, if you haven't seen the first video we did, you should definitely go check it out.
It's definitely more obnoxious. I tried to tone it down this time, okay, so y'all can hear the cracks.
It was also the first time that I adjusted you, so I feel like you didn't exactly know what to expect, and you were just like, you kind of knew, but yeah, go check out that video. I promise you will love it, and thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.